Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 6. In that we'll see exercise 1.4. We have already done some questions. So the remaining ones we'll do now. So we'll start with question number 6. Find the smallest integer n so that 5 into 12 into n is the product of 3 consecutive integers. So we will consider that we'll say 3 consecutive integers be n, n plus 1 and n plus 2. Suppose we take n as 1. So in this one, if we put here, first we'll take this one because we have considered the 3 integers, n plus 1 and n plus 2. So we'll take n as 1. So here will be 1. 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. And here will be 1 plus 2, that is going to be 3. So if we multiply this one, because this is a product of 3 consecutive integers, so that is going to be 6. So now we have, here we have 12 into 5 into 12 into n, that is going to be 5 12 is 60, 60n, that is going to be 6. So n will be, because this is multiplication, so n will be here 6 divided by 60. 6, this will go on the other side, that will get divided by 62, so that is going to be 0.1. Because we have to see the smallest integer, so we'll see how to do it. Now if we take n as 2, so here we'll take 2, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2. So this is going to be 2, 3 and 4. So when you multiply this one, because that is the product of 3 integers, that is 2 into 3 into 4. So this will be 24. So now again we will go for this one. That is 60n is 24. So n will be this 24 divided by 60. So when you divide this 24 divided by 60, so we'll put here, because this is a small number, we'll put 1 0. So 0. So 64s are 240. So that is going to be 0.4. So if we take n as 3, we put n as 3, 3 plus 1 and 3 plus 2. So here will be 3, here will be 4 and here will be 5. So 3 into, again if you take the product of that, 3 into 4 into 5. So this is going to be 60. So 60n is equal to 60. So this will be, n will be 60. This will go on the other side, that will get divided. So 60 divided by 60 is going to be 1. If we are taking n as 4, so here if we take 4, so that is going to be 4, 5 and this is going to be 6. So 4 into 5 into 6, that is going to be 120. So now what we can do here, we'll take here, because now they said the smallest integer. So this here, the smallest integer is going to be here 1. So what will we do here? 60 n is equal to 60. So here n will be, because where we get 60, here this we got is for this one as 3 into 4 into 5. So 5 into 12 into n, this one is here 60. So this is why we are writing here, because here we got as 1. This is the smallest one. So here this will be 3 into 4. This is just the roughly what I have shown, how we got the smallest one here. Which are we going to consider? Why we are going to consider 3 into 4 into 5. So this is 60, n is going to be 60. So n will be 60 divided by 60. So n is going to be 1, because they have asked find the smallest integer n. A watch is getting slow by 2 minutes for each hour in a day. If it shows 10 a.m. now, what will it show after 12 hours? So now here, slow by 2 minutes means 1 minute is 60 seconds. So here it is going to be by 2 minutes here. Means in 1 minute we have this will be 58. So it is getting slow by, so here it will be, because they have asked here not the seconds but they have asked the minutes over here. So 1 hour is 60 minutes, because here is minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So here what are we going to do? It is getting slow by 2 minutes. 2 minutes means it is just going to be 58 minutes. If they could have asked seconds, then we could have considered that is 1 minute. So here 1 hour is 60 minutes. So this is 58 minutes. So here that is what will be it show after 12 hours. So 12 into, this is going to be slow by 2 minutes, so that we are going to consider as 58. So when you multiply this into this, that is going to be 696 minutes. So 696 means that is going to be 11 hours and 36 minutes, because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So this is going to be 696 minutes will be how much? So when we don't know how many hours, so we are going to cross multiply 696 into 1 divided by 60. So we'll divide and see 696 by, I'll show you how to do it, by 60. 60 ones are 60. This is going to be 96. 60 ones are 60. So this is going to be, so now here the remainder is 36. So if you go this way, so that is going to be 11 hours and the remainder here is 36 minutes. So now starting time they have given as 10 a.m. So here 10 a.m. plus this 11 hours and 36 minutes. So what will be the answer? 10 plus this 11 is going to be 21. These are the total hours. Plus this 36, 21 hours and 36 minutes. So that will be, after 12, if you count here for this one, if you take 21, so this is going to be 9. So that is going to be 9:36 because 21 hours. So that is going to be in PM. 9. This is 36 minutes. 9:36 PM. So they said what will be which show after 12 hours. So 9:36 PM. In a quick quiz-based program, there are 3 teams. That is ABC. There are total 5 rounds in the game. 20 marks are given for each correct answer, and minus 10 marks are given for each wrong answer. And here, no marks are deducted for not attempting a question. Which team won the game? If your first part here, Team A gave 3 correct and 2 wrong answers. Team B gave 2 correct wrong to this. So you can just read this question. So what will you do? Now we'll write the same thing. 20 marks are given for each correct answer. So 20 marks for each correct answer. Then they said minus 10 marks for each wrong answer. And no marks are deducted means 0 marks for not attempting. So now let us see for team A. 3 correct and 2 wrong. So correct are 3. So 3 into, because for correct 20 marks. So 3 into 20, that is going to be 60. So for wrong, 2 into, for wrong it is minus 10. So that is going to be minus 20. So total will be 60 minus 20. So that is going to be 40. Now we'll see for team B. 2 correct and 2 wrong. So 2 correct means 2 into 20, that is 40. And wrong is 2 into minus 10, that is minus 20. And here, what did they say? And they didn't attempt one question. So for not attempting, no marks are deducted. So what we can, unattempted 0. So that is just going to be 40 minus 20. So that is going to be 20. Now let us see for team C. 3 correct and 1 wrong and didn't attempt one question. So 3 correct and 1 wrong. So for 3 correct means 3 into 20, that is 60. 1 wrong means 1 into minus 10, that is going to be minus 10, and unattempted, that is 0. So total is going to be 60 minus this 10. This is going to be 50. So now you can see here, this is 50, this is 20, and this is 40. So they said, which team won the game? So that is team C. So we can say, because this is more. So team C won the game. In a mathematics question paper of an engineering entrance examination, the total number of questions are 50. According to the marking scheme, 5 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 3 marks for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. Saurabh attempts all questions. Here this is A for this one, we can put here, and B. So Saurabh attempts all questions, but only 45 of the answers are correct. What is his total score in mathematics? So, and then Anmol gets 30 correct and 5 incorrect answers, and out of 35 questions he attempts, and what is his score in? First, now let us see for Saurabh. So for correct answer, what is this given? That is 5 marks. and -3 for incorrect. So let us write that thing. For correct answer 5 marks, for incorrect answer -3 marks, and not attempted is no marks are deducted, that is 0 marks. So Saurabh's score, let us see total attempted questions. How many questions? Attempts all questions. So there are how many questions are there? There are total of 50. So we can write a total questions attempted is 50. Correct answers is now 45 answers are correct. So 45 into this 5. So this is going to be 225. So incorrect answers is going to be correct here out of 50. Correct answers are 45. So that is going to be 5. So incorrect means 5 into, for incorrect, what is that? That is -3. So that is going to be -15. Hope this is clear. So that will be, so the score will be 225 -15. So that is going to be 210. Now let us see for Anmol. Gets 30 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 35 questions he attempts. So total attempted questions, that are 35 only he attempted. So correct answers is 30 because he's attempting 30 correct answers and 5 incorrect. So 30 into that correct, this is given as 5 for correct one, 5 marks. So 30 into 5, so that is going to be 150. Incorrect answers is 5. So for incorrect, that is given as -3. 5 into -3, that is going to be -15. So Anmol's score will be 150 minus this 15. So that is going to be 135. So they have asked the answer of this one and the Anmol's one. So this is the answer. The sum of two integers is -11 and the product is -80. What are the two integers? Now suppose here we'll take the two integers we can consider as x and y. So sum means you are going to add is -11 means is equal to 11. So x plus y is equal to -11. Let us consider this as equation number 1. And the product is -80. So we have considered x and y. So product means x into y, we can write as xy is -80. Is -80 means is equal to -80. This is our equation number 2. So from this one, if we take this equation, xy is equal to -80. So what we can do, we can separate this one, x value, we can say -80. This y will go on the other side, so it will get divided. So now this putting this x is equal to -80 by y, we'll put in this equation, this in the equation number 1. So x plus y is equal to -1. Wherever you see this one, x, you're going to put -80 by y. So in place of this, we'll put -80 by y, because there are two variables we cannot solve which are, if both are unknown. So we have to first take one variable. Either you could have taken here x, or you can taken here y. So now after solving this one, they put here, this remains the same. So now you can see the LCM here is y. So what will be that? -80 plus y square. You can also write one step over here. If you get confused over here, I'll write it again. -80 by y plus y is equal to this is, so what we can do, -80 plus y square, and the LCM is y is equal to -11. This is the extra step. And later on, what we can do, -80 plus y square. This you will take on the other side. That is going to be -11y. This is what I've written here. If you want, you can also put one step, or you can write as it is, this step. Both ways is right. So now we will take, this is y square and this is y, and this is a constant term. So the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we can bring it in this form. So this is y square, -11y comes on this side, that will be +11y. This is already here, that is 0. So now this is 1 over here, and this is -80. So this is going to be -80. So you are going to take the factors of 80. This is first term, the middle term, and the last term. So you will take factors of this 80 in such a way that you get 11. So we'll take the factors of 80. 2 40s are, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, and 5 1s are. So now see here, this is 10. This will be 20. But if we are taking here this one, 20 and -4. So here 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. So we don't get 11, we get here 16. So we have to arrange in such a way that we get, see again I'll do it, sorry. 2 40s are, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, and 5 1s are. So here will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 and this 5. So 16 minus 5, so that is going to be 11. So we'll take here, but here is plus. So we'll take here plus 16 minus 5. So this is going to be plus 11. So we have to arrange in such a way that we get the middle term. So that is going to be plus 16y minus 11. This is for this one. And this will be the same. So now what will you do? We'll do the groups. We'll take this in one group, this in the other group. So this is going to be, from this y will be common. So in the bracket is y plus 16. Now see here, this sign whatever is there, that will be here. So from this one, what will be common? 5. And that is going to be y plus 16. That is going to be 0. So both the brackets, that is y plus 16 here. So that is going to be right. We can write y plus 16 is equal to 0 or y minus 5 is equal to 0. So here after rearranging here, this will be y is equal to minus 16 or y is equal to be 5. So we can say therefore the two integers are minus 16 and 5. To conduct a science experiment, it is required to decrease the temperature from 36 degrees Celsius at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So what is the starting temperature given here? That is 36 degrees Celsius. And how much is the decrease? This is at the rate of 4 degrees, means it is every hour. So 4 degrees centigrade, the rate of decrease is 4 degrees centigrade every hour, because they said it's required to decrease the temperature from 36 to at the rate of 4 degrees. So the rate of decrease is 4 degrees every hour. So total decrease is going to be how much? 4 into, because what will be the temperature 10 hours after this one? So 4 into 10. Because every hour it is going to be 4 degrees going to get decreased. So after this 10 hours, it is going to be 40 degrees Celsius. So what will be the temperature? So that is going to be from 30, because this is a starting one and this is getting decreased. So for 36 minus 40, so minus 40 plus 36. So that is going to be minus 4. So we can say that our final temperature is minus 4 degrees Celsius. So this is the final answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.